Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add apps on desktop. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu on the bottom left and just simply go to the settings over here. And now from here, just simply go to personalization over here. And after that, just simply go to the themes on the left side over here. And now just simply scroll down, guys. And after that, you should be able to see here related settings. And down below, you should have desktop icon settings. So click on it. And now from here, guys, as you can see, this is all of the available desktop icons. So from here, you can toggle the computer, the user file, the network, and the control panel as well. So from here, in order for you to apply the changes, just simply select the icon that you like and click on apply and click on OK. And now when we go check our desktop, as you can see, we should be able to have that icon. Now, another option that you have is just simply go ahead and search for the application that you want. So let's say I'm going to go for CapCut. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on open file location. And now from here, just simply right click on it and go for open file location. And after that, just simply right click over here. And now you should be able to see here send to. And from here, you should be able to have here desktop to create a shortcut. And from here, you should be able to add it into your desktop. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.